Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock permanently locked Snapchat account. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser. Once you open any browser, you simply need to search for Snapchat support. Open that, click on Snapchat support. So once you are here, you simply need to click here contact us. So here you can see different options. You simply need to select the first one. I think my account was compromised. Wait for a few seconds. Scroll down. So here you can see a form. You need to add your username, your email address, your mobile number, and here you need to describe the issue to the Snapchat team, and then you simply need to click on submit, and within 72 hours they will reply to you and help to get your account back. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.